Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that many people face but find hard to resolve. Stubborn belly fat. Now, let's get right into it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess where you stand. Measure your waist. First things first, take a measuring tape and wrap it around your waist to understand where you stand. According to the World Health Organization, a waist circumference above 31.5 inches for women and 37 inches for men indicates abdominal obesity. So, knowing your waist size can be your first clue in tackling that belly fat. Step 2. Monitor your diet. Track what you eat. Keep a food journal or use a food tracking app to write down everything you eat. Not all calories are created equal, and you want to make sure you're eating foods that help with weight loss. Opt for whole foods. According to a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016, whole grains can actually help with losing belly fat. Swap out your white bread for whole grain alternatives. Add more protein. Research from the University of Alabama published in 2008 showed that a higher protein intake could help preserve muscle mass when you're losing weight. So, add lean meats like chicken or plant-based proteins like lentils to your diet. Step 3. Get physical. Aerobic exercise. A Harvard study found that aerobic exercise is particularly effective in reducing belly fat. So, put on those running shoes and go for a jog. Strength training. Don't forget strength training. A study by Harvard School of Public Health showed that weightlifting could prevent abdominal fat gain in men. Use your dumbbells or resistance bands for exercises like deadlifts and bicep curls. Step 4. Mindful practices. Sleep well. Lack of sleep can mess up your metabolism. A study by the University of Chicago in 2010 showed that lack of sleep could result in fat gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can increase the hormone cortisol, which makes you gain belly fat. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation. Step 5. Consume fat-burning foods. Green tea. Green tea can speed up your metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2011 found that green tea could help with weight loss. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants that can help you lose weight. Add them to your morning smoothie for an extra kick. Alright folks, we've covered a lot today. Remember, getting rid of stubborn belly fat is a marathon, not a sprint. Please subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment below telling me what other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, take care.